Hey guys, today I'm in my car, like in the previous video, and it's Valentine's Day, and sorry guys. Okay, not the safest thing to do. You don't have to do it, trust me. Okay, so basically it's Valentine's Day, and I'm going to take my girlfriend with my car, and we're going to Venice today. So today you'll see some silly footage of us, and then some pictures and some footage of Venice, and whatever comes to my mind. And it's a special day because actually this is our 10th Valentine together. Yeah, we've been together for 10 years, so it's I don't know, it's a weird feeling, but you know, when you're in love like like this, you know, you don't pay attention to the years, and you don't see them passing like this, you know. So, love things apart, you're going to see something about Venice and about us. So yeah, that's it. See you later in the video. Bye guys. Okay guys, I just arrived in front of our house, and I'm a bit late because this is a trick for you guys. If you have a girlfriend, if you are I don't know, if you are married, probably you live together, but and I live together with my girlfriend as well, but in Lisbon, not here. So here the trick is, when you have to go out, you have to show up a bit later, because if not, if you show up at the right time, you will wait for the eternity. So right now I've been waiting for, I don't know, a couple minutes, but if I had the ride on time, right now it will be like 10 minutes or something like that. So always be late guys, trust me. Finally she arrived 15 minutes later. Ciao. Buon San Valentino.
Buon San Valentino.
Aspetta. Devo fare un po' di birol, un po' di musica. Okay guys, so I bet that you already know about this train station, the train station of Bassano del Grappa, that I showed you in the previous video. And yeah, here we are. We just printed the tickets, and we are not waiting for the train because the train is here, but we still have to side the train. So see you in Venice.
I try so hard to be something I'm not. So true, I'm distressed. Blame it on the internet. I try so hard to be something.
Hey, so finally we're in Venice, and let's start with the tour.
I'm not. I just hope there's someone else.
So this is Venice. This is the Venezia Santa Lucia train station, outside of course of the train station, and I'm here with the Gx80 and the 20mm by Lumix, of course, and the new strap that I got as a gift for Christmas. Yes.
Can make me stop. Cause I think I'm turning around. It's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry.
Hey, first white wine in Venice with our bacalhau.
For not speaking up, I never share my feelings, but I finally get to be myself. I hated waste pictures at the discotheque. I try so hard to be something you want. And it's a curse or a consequence of some last line of defense. I try so hard to be something you want. I just hope that someone else can make this stop. Cause I think I'm turning around. Oh, it's time to stop.
Okay, so we just finished eating in this place. It was super good. And did you like the place?
Yeah, so good.
And we ate something with fish, and you saw the clip anyway. So right now we're going to St. Mark's Square, even if it's still raining. And yeah, I'm planning to take some pictures and do some stuff. You know, guys, it's like this. This vlog is like this. And see you in St. Mark's Square.
Pretending, call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for
Okay guys, so in this place that is called La Bottega dei Mascareri, they, I mean there's like a poster saying this, but I don't know, they made the masks for Eyes Wide Shut by Stanley Kubrick. That is one of my favorite films in general, at least one of my favorite films by Kubrick. And yeah, it seems that it's like this, and I wanted to add this to the vlog, and I took a couple of pictures. So yeah, cool.
speaking up. I never share my feelings, but I'll finally get to be myself.
Hey, we're here at the Rialto Bridge. She's always kissing me because you love me. Because she thinks that I look cute, but I'm not. So.
Yeah.
Yeah. Per San Marco, scusi? Di là, di là.
Cause I think I'm turning around. Oh, it's time to stop pretending. Call me out, I'll be overwhelmed. And I'm sorry for not speaking up. I never share my feelings, but I'll finally get.
Hey guys, finally we're in St. Mark's Square, and I don't know, there's like a construction site here, but anyway, it's super cool, even though the weather is not fantastic, not awesome. There are still the masks from the Venice Carnival around, like this guy. And yeah, so basically this is the end of our tour, and like after taking some pictures here we'll go to the train station because it's already evening more or less, and it becomes dark pretty fast here in Venice, or at least today. And yeah, for today that's it. I hope you like this video, I hope you like the pictures, I hope you like everything, and see you on the channel. Bye.
Myself.
Okay guys, I lied in the previous clip because this is actually the final clip, and sorry if I cut it, I cut the whole thing short, but we had to rush to take the train because here in Venice it's like this. So remember, for your trip in Venice, your trip to Venice, always take care of the train. So always remember that it's not that easy to reach the train station when you're, I don't know, walking around Venice, so just take care of that. And yeah, that one is the train station over there. So we are almost in the train. And this said, I hope that you like this video, and sorry again if I had to cut it short, but I just didn't watch the time. And see you in the next video. Bye guys.